Hey you guys, I am in my laundry room and I'm only going to show you guys this side because this is the only side that I'm going to decorate. I did have some gray and blue storage bins up on top, but I did remove them, and here is my washer and dryer. I have a video on my channel showing when I first purchased my laundry and dryer, my washer and dryer combo. So feel free to look at that video if you want to know what type of washer and dryer that I purchased, and kind of hear me talk about it, see the installation or what have you. But this is the only part that I'm going to be decorating. I am going to do a laundry room, kind of like small remodel. I'm in the process of ordering and kind of seeing what I really want. I do believe I want like the farmhouse look in my laundry room, so stay tuned to that. But as of now, for the fall, I wanted to kind of just spruce up this area just a little bit. Be mindful now, I just said that I wanted to do a small remake of my laundry room. So yes, it needs to be painted and all of that stuff. And then I'm actually standing up against a long back wall that's behind me. That wall is totally scraped up from, just wear and tear. So yes, we're going to paint in here. This is the other side of the wall here. You see all of those marks. I'm going to remove this. I didn't want this in here. I'm going to remove this. Maybe put it behind the door, which my door is right here. Maybe put it behind the door or take it completely out of here. But this is a whole big wall right here. It's very long. Have some plans for that as well as in front of me, whatever. But yeah, I have a lot of marks. So that's why I'm only going to do over here, because this side isn't that bad. Again, we're going to paint, but I'm not going to do it in time for the fall. But I still wanted to kind of like make this have a fall vibes as well. So that's what I'm getting ready to show you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you the process of me actually decorating it or show you afterwards. And that's my washer that y'all hear in the background. I'm actually washing some clothes, as well as my dishwasher is going to in the kitchen. So yeah, you guys, this is the before, and I think I'm just going to show you guys afterwards how it looks. And yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here is the final product. I have a home decor haul, hauling all of these items that I purchased, so you guys can check that video out to see where these items were purchased. So this is what I did up here, and there is a little echo in here, you guys, because it's it's the laundry room. So this is the top, and then here is below on top of my dryer. This tray I had before. I believe I bought this mirrored tray from, it was either Ross or TJ Maxx. I believe it was Ross, maybe Ross or Burlington. Also, these pumpkins here I had last year. Some of them was purchased from Dollar Tree, I believe, or either Walmart. And the wooded looking green one came from TJ Maxx. It was in a package of several of those. And then this little grassy one, if you will, not grassy, this beige one here was purchased from, I believe that was purchased from Kirkland. It also had several pumpkins in there. And then I hauled this flower, also this floral, in a haul, as well as this tin basket back here. And I just have our dryer sheets here since it is on the dryer. I already had that candle purchased from Bath and Body Works. I think that's the name of the place. And then this thankful sign came from Dollar Tree, 3 in a pack. I just kind of stuck it there so it can stand up. And then those little greenery there was purchased from Walmart, I believe. So this is how the dryer portion is looking. And then over here on top of the washer, I just have this floral greenery that I purchased from Walmart. These two bottles, glass bottles, were purchased from Dollar Tree. I have a laundry detergent in one, and then my softener. I do have to restock on my softener. I ran out. That's why it's not completely filled. This candle, I believe, was purchased from either Ross or TJ Maxx. It says Grateful, or maybe even Marshall's. It just says Grateful. You can't really see the whole word because of the greenery. And then there's another one of those greenery florals from Walmart. I hauled this tray in a home decor haul. I believe I purchased that from the at-home store, but there is a video on my channel where I purchased that from. So yeah, this is how the washer is looking. And yeah, just something very simple. As I stated earlier, I am planning on doing a small remake of my laundry. Well, I'll just say remake because I never remade it. I never did anything to it. So it will actually just be me upgrading my laundry room. But yeah, this is what I did, you guys. Something very simple, but yet nice. It says fall. I really do like it a whole lot. Y'all excuse the noise. My husband just came home, as well as my son. You know how loud men can be. And boys, especially my husband. But anyways, yeah, this is my laundry room, you guys.